try to incorporate new technologies in their practice. Magnification, ultrasonics, CBCT would help to manage many difficult situations and scenarios. Just get to use these tools regularly. I think by the end you will manage most of advanced and difficult cases. My name is Mohamad Zaafrany and I'm from Egypt. And I'm very pleased to be invited to this great event and to present two lectures about two different topics in advanced endodontics. Today we discussed about the management of retreatment difficulties. We took the part of retreatment into the most advanced level, speaking about management of more apical lateral root perforation and also management of non-visible separated files. How to make a repeatable technique, how to make it every time with good outcome, and when to avoid management of non-visible file. My aim to select both topics was to give a new information or new approaches for doctors who are already practicing endodontics in the advanced level and still they have difficulty. Today, we give them information how to manage this kind of difficulties, as we discussed, some tips and tricks to make this difficult situation a little bit easy. For sure, for specialists, for dentists who are already in work, knows when to, they knows when the situation is difficult and need special attention to be managed. My take-home message in both lectures is to try to incorporate new technologies in their practice. Magnification, ultrasonics, CBCT would help to manage many difficult situations and scenarios. Just get to use these tools regularly. I think by the end you will manage most of advanced and difficult cases. Actually, it's the first time to be in Dental World Congress. It's a very big congress with big space for exhibition and exhibitors. And I was surprised that we have 4 rooms running at the same time with 4 different programs for endo, for aesthetics, for implant, and for ortho. So it's great for anyone who would love to attend, that he has a choice according to the topic of his interest, according to his favorite speaker. He can manage his standalone table of lectures or standalone schedule. This kind of events would promote exchanging ideas between doctors, sharing knowledge, keeping all up to date. So it's very special to have direct contact, especially with teachers or professors, or have much experience to teach new generations how to manage difficult situations, how to manage different clinical scenarios. It's very important to them to attend this kind of conferences. For sure, they will know the difference after attending, how it has a big impact on their practice. As the end, I would recommend everyone not to miss this event next year. Next year is going to be bigger, to much of well-known, world-known speakers. So from Hungary and from around, don't miss to attend Dental World 2025.